Now, good morning, student. To continue the hyperlinking option, I will again show you the another example of relative referencing. Then I will come to the absolute referencing. So, as you will see that it is marks PT1, okay, and on this PT1, I am clicking on the hyperlink option that is showing to you on the group that is link, and here you will be able to see that one option is coming that is known as existing files or web page. Correct? So this is your existing file or web page. Now when you are clicking on this existing file or web page, it is showing to you the current folder here, and within this current folder you will be able to see that within the class 10th current folder you will have three different folders and some files are there. So if you suppose you want to click on this file, that is your document file, and you want to click on marks Hindi, and when you are clicking on marks Hindi, this illustration file will open. So this is again an example of relative referencing, because we are using here a current folder. Okay, so when we are clicking on OK, you will see that marks Hindi is converted into a blue color sign, blue color, and underline you will be able to see. So when we will click on this, a hand sign is appearing. When we click on it, after some time you will be able to see the word will open and your next file, that is the illustration file that we have learned in the previous video, that is opened. Clear? So this is the illustration file that you have seen that when we have clicked on the marks Hindi, it has opened a file that is illustration file, because that we have linked. So when we click from here, we can go back to the MS Excel, and you can again click on it to open the same file. Clear? So that was the example of relative referencing. Now when we are clicking on this, suppose on sheet number 4, we are in the sheet number 5, I am clicking on absolute and making this absolute as a hyperlink. So the same option we will do, we will click on the hyperlink option. A dialog box will appear. This is the dialog box, student. Now what you are doing, you are just clicking on the browse pages. Now these are the browse pages that you have clicked once in or this is the recent files. Clear? So recent file, that how many files you have opened. So it may be any Excel file, it may be any picture file, it may be any document file. So different types of files are there, because it is showing to you the lots of files here. Okay, so suppose I'm opening a file that is of picture file. So I will just check whether it has a picture file, or if it is not having any picture file, I will check another file, that is suppose a PPT file. Now role of teacher. Now you will see that this is the file that is available in role of teacher, but it will not be available, I think, because it is in F drive. So F drive is not connected. So I'm just clicking on this production file and you clicking on OK button. Now see, the absolute has becoming, and it is coming in blue color and underline. So when you are clicking on it, it will open another file. You will be able to see that in a production file it has opened, and that is a file that is not available in a folder, in your current folder. Clear? So it has come from a different folders. It was saved in other folders, and the file has come from there. So when you are linking the files that is coming from different folders, then this linking is known as absolute linking. Okay, so I'm clicking again, closing it. And one more thing is, friend, if you have to right click on it, you will see upon clicking on absolute, you will have an option that is known as uh, edit, open and remove. There are three options coming when you are right clicking on a link. If you want to remove the link, you have to click on remove hyperlink. So remove hyperlink makes what? It makes your linking deleted. The, the link that you have created on the word absolute, that is deleted from the word absolute. Okay, the link is being disabled, link is removed, not a content of the cells is removed. Okay, so by this way you can easily remove the contents and right click. Suppose relative is there, and when we are right clicking on it, edit hyperlink. Edit hyperlink means if you want to make a changes, that you have seen that this is the edit hyperlink dialog box is appearing. If you want to get connected the another file, you have previously connected the previous sheet, but now you want to change this sheet with other sheets, that also you can do by just clicking on the edit hyperlink option. Okay, student, so by this way you can edit your hyperlink also. Okay, and you can remove the links also. If you will click from here remove link, you can remove the links from there. Okay, so that's all your absolute and uh, relative hyperlinking, student. So in the next video I will tell you that how to get connected your file with the other data source, suppose with the other files. Thank you.